Doesn't Cruz Ramirez look absolutely amazing in silver? Just check out this paint job. Now, in this video, I have a risk of revealing my face because of how shiny she is. But yet, you can see there just how shiny she is by the reflection. But yeah, before we take a close look at Silver Cruz, I just want to say I did review the silver factory custom of Lightning McQueen yesterday. So check out that video. I will leave a iCard in this video, so just click in the top right hand corner, and I will also put it in the end screen as well at the end of my videos. Yep, I recently got this Silver Cruz and I decided it needed a review. And yeah, it looks so much different compared to the regular release. Just look at the yellow and the silver, and you can't also go wrong with, you know, the gold ones. There is another gold version, which we'll talk about in a few minutes here. Yep, so here is this Silver Cruz Ramirez. She is a 1/55 scale die cast and is a factory custom. Of course, made in China, no base codes, which is odd because yesterday I did review the Lightning McQueen, and that Lightning McQueen did have the base code. But we can see she does look pretty cool. She's got the usual facial expression in the silver, the headlights as well. We've got the hood. Now you can see where my ring light is because it really does reflect off her. But you can see it looks pretty cool. Silver on the top, silver all around, silver ring mirrors, silver brakes. You know, the only thing that isn't silver is the Rusty's logo. Rusty's Race Team 95. That's absolutely cool. And of course her license plate CO1-06A Costanza Alonso, which is the voicer of Cruz. So we can see. And there is the other side. You know, there is a few chips, you know, just lurking around because this is an old factory custom. I believe it is a discontinued factory custom now. If it's not, then I am actually surprised. Yep. Now we will compare to the regular version of Cruz. This is the official release by Mattel. You can see the differences here. This is Mattel, this is fake. This one is fake, this is real. There is not many differences apart from the fact it is silver. There is a variant of regular Cruz which I do have in the packaging with the brakes where you don't see the brakes. You can see the back, we can see the logo, which isn't present on the silver version. Pretty nice, and we can see the base of what it should look like. You can see just about. And of course, you know, we'll show it to the, not to find a slight bit there, might be cutting that out. To the gold one, this is the one that you could find in the scavenger hunt line, but there is actually a variation. If you'd like to see a review on this in the future, then let me know. It doesn't quite come across on camera well, but you know, it is a variant, trust me. And all these three looks absolutely cool together. Screenshot worthy if you ask me. Feel free to screenshot if you wish. Just feel free to screenshot Cruz on her own. There you go, no reflection. I did want to compare it to the Tomica version of Cruz, the silver version. Just CO6, I believe, or you know, the regular one is CO6. Can't quite remember the regular, but this is the Dinooco version. Now there is a Dinooco factory custom of Cruz, which is this one here, from China. You can see the shiny differences. That just looks absolutely amazing. Feel free to screenshot. Use for the Cars Wiki. It looks absolutely cool. The rims are pretty much the same, apart from the fact they are piston cut though. And there's the base of this one. Of course, it won't say any markings. And here is the official release. You can see Thailand variant. Now I just wanted to compare her to the fake factory custom of Cruz Ramirez. This is the fake one, as we can see, made in China. The eyes are very goofy looking. Just to compare, this is the official fake. You can see the eyes are a different colour, different part. You know, the eyeliner's not on the eyes. You know, it is a great, you know, variant if you collect everything variant like I do. coming up to 5 minutes on this video now, so I do want to end it, shortly. I don't want them to be too long, but I do like my videos long now, because there's so many facts about this hobby that you guys deserve to know. Here are the two that I reviewed recently. Shall I review the gold one, or, the silver or the gold Dinooco Cruz? Let me know in the comments below. Suggestions are open for random cars. And to the very next video, which will be tomorrow like usual, don't forget to subscribe. Peace, everybody.